A ref struct is a type of structure that is allocated on the stack rather than the heap, offering potential performance improvements, particularly in high-performance scenarios. Ref struct types are declared using the ref keyword, such as ref struct name. Since ref structs are allocated on the stack, they benefit from faster memory allocation and deallocation compared to heap-allocated objects. Their memory is released automatically once they go out of scope. Ref structs come with specific limitations to ensure safe usage. They cannot be boxed, meaning they cannot be converted to system object, which prevents them from being stored in heap-based collections like arrays or lists. They also cannot be captured by lambda expressions, meaning they cannot be used in contexts that would extend their lifetime beyond their original scope. The lifetime of a ref struct is tied to the scope in which it is created. This ensures that ref struct instances are automatically cleaned up, reducing the risk of memory leaks. Ref structs are particularly useful in scenarios that require efficient memory handling, such as when working with span T or memory T. These types allow for the manipulation of large amounts of data without incurring the overhead of heap allocation, making them suitable for performance-critical applications like real-time computing, low-level system programming, and data processing tasks.